This is the HIS LC300 laser cleaning machine, a trusted 300W lightweight laser cleaning system for industrial applications. From system startup and initialization, one-click optical path activation. Every step follows the N60825-1 laser safety standard. The cleaning head weighs less than 1.25 kilogram. It makes working for long periods of time less tiring. 9 scanning modes. Metal rust removal coating. Weld seam pre-treatment. Various working conditions, including oil stain cleaning. HIS LC300 designed for industrial cleaning. From oil stains, welding slag and oxide layers to complex concave surfaces, it handles everything in one go. No chemicals, no consumables, no contact, and no damage to materials. Lightweight cleaning head, stable even during prolonged operation. If you're looking for efficiency in an industrial setting, this machine won't disappoint you. When illuminated by a laser, the contaminated layer will instantly vaporize or peel off, but it will not damage the substrate. Maintenance is also extremely simple. By keeping the protective lenses dust-free and the optical fibers from bending, the equipment can operate reliably for many years. Subscribe so you don't miss anything.